Hey guys, what is happening? It is Adam Palmer. We are on location answering questions right now. So we got another one from Quora. It's how do I set myself up as a freelancer? So the way you set yourself up as a freelancer is, most of the time I talk about this all the time. It's getting on Upwork or something similar like a Fiverr, and then being able to make a profile, put all your skills up there, put a video, sell yourself. I'm always talking about that. So the best thing to do is to use, I think, these existing platforms, because you're going to have a much easier time finding clients, because that's the most difficult part of this whole thing versus trying to do everything on your own, reinventing the wheel, having to build a web page, a million other things before you can even like start working, right? Like if you want to be a freelancer right now, you can get yourself as a profile on Upwork, on Fiverr, and immediately start looking for clients. And if you have skills already, you can put them on there. If you're trying to like learn new things, you can start like kind of looking what are the most requested jobs and things like that. Like how do I get a foot in the door? I always talk about doing stuff like almost like a VA at first, which is a virtual assistant, because so many people need these people to help manage their businesses, to help even like forward emails or use Gmail, like easy stuff that like normally most people know how to do. So I always think that that's like a really, really nice way to kind of get your foot in the door, and it always is going to lead to new things that you're going to have to learn. And once you learn those things, it's going to be another kind of feather in your cap as far as like your skills go. So yeah, I would get myself on one of those platforms. I'm always talking about Upwork. Obviously, I'm a fanboy, and I think that's where you should probably start. Hope that answers that question. Thank you. Bye bye.